When these officers showed up to shut down this party after multiple noise complaints from the neighbors, they never expected this to happen.
Who's gonna answer that? I'm like 50 Cent too, but who's gonna answer that? It's loud as fuck. No,
The officers assumed they'd have to break down the door, as the music was so loud that no one inside could even hear the doorbell. But when they came to ring the doorbell for the last time, someone finally answered the door. However, what happened next left the officers completely speechless.
Hey,
we don't mean to. We don't mean
it's my
to.
mom's birthday.
To
You guys
mama.
want to come in and take it?
We
cake?
would.
You want cake?
Nah, we would.
You want tacos?
We would. Hey, taco sound crazy.
Come on.